The Casa Terras, nestled in the serene interior of São Paulo, is a testament to the harmonious blend of architectural innovation and natural beauty. With a generous built area of 650 square meters, this single-story residence was conceived to offer seamless integration of spaces while respecting the client's desire for privacy. The architects masterfully divided the house into distinct blocks, each serving a specific purpose. The private area, located on the east side, offers a secluded haven for the residents. The central block, a masterpiece of structural engineering, features large spans and a striking metal roof clad in wood. This space houses the expansive living room and the garage, strategically positioned on the west side to maximize privacy. Further back on the lot, another block accommodates the kitchen, service areas, and the gourmet area, forming a U-shaped configuration. Glass walkways elegantly connect these blocks, providing glimpses of the lush garden at every turn. The large metal roof of the social area is punctuated by solid and empty spaces, creating intimate garden pockets. The generous use of glass on three sides of the social area offers breathtaking views of these gardens, while the virtually blind facade ensures maximum privacy. The residence's front wall, clad in soft stone, forms a striking contrast with the warm wood lining of the roof. This interplay of natural materials creates a timeless and elegant aesthetic. The strategic arrangement of the blocks has resulted in a central garden that serves as the heart of the home, connecting all its sectors and fostering a sense of harmony. The Casa Terras is a celebration of open and transparent spaces, designed to maximize visual and spatial integration. The gourmet area, in particular, serves as a focal point, connecting the pool, the central garden, and the social area. The hybrid construction system, combining reinforced concrete and steel, facilitated the efficient construction process and enabled the creation of large spans with minimal structural elements, particularly in the living room, garage, and gourmet area.